What are you talking about? Am I too loud? Is the radio too loud? Help. Oh, hello, hello. How's it going? How is it going? I am doing fine. Yeah. So, how's it going? Radio was loud. Yeah, I suspected it. I don't know. I don't know. It's always like a pretty, I don't know, pretty shitty thingy. I feel like no, my phone is here. My phone is here. This is my phone. I'm not watching the stream through the phone because my setup consists of a second screen. Mic quiet. Jesus Maria. Let me try this. Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? Wait, let me also up the volume here. I hope that it doesn't pick up what my sister is listening to. But I don't really care. So today I have a thingy here that's basically, let me pull up the is this quiet now? Jesus. Why is it? Let me check OBS. So, mic. It's in the yellow, so it shouldn't be quiet. I mean, Jesus. I need to buy a new microphone and maybe a less janky microphone stand, but that's not really my style. Look at it. I'm really looking forward to use this. I don't know. Also, it's yeah, I guess it's fine. Also, I should really make a dimmer for my light, because it's really kind of annoying. It's really bright. I guess for a workbench, it's a good thing. But yeah, I bought this mic like I don't know, it's been maybe 6 years, and the funny thing is that I bought this microphone because I thought that I was good at singing, and basically I had to sing in a band for like a birthday party, and I was in middle school, and I think it was like the second year or the third year, so I was like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Maybe I was 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, I was 13. So I changed the ceiling vent thing last weekend and I didn't die. Good job. That's usually what you want to do when you're finished, when you're done with a project. So even if the vent thing in your bathroom didn't work, yeah, that's the goal at the end of the day. So also the radio, maybe it's a little bit too loud, but I don't know, because it's pretty messy, because I don't have like a way of knowing exactly how it sounds, how it would sound on the stream, unless I pull up the stream. So, and I don't want to pull up the stream even if it's in front of my screen, so because I don't care. So let me pull up the code. Okay. I have the SSID and the key for my Wi-Fi in here. So let me actually remove them, I guess. Oh, let me actually do a thing. Okay, so this directory is intended for project header files. Okay, I can make a header file, maybe. I don't know, man. Keys.h. Let me do it. So let's say const int. No, it's. Do I need to do include Arduino.h, and I can say well, actually no, I just need to define the fucking thingy, and that's it. So yeah, so I can then do include keys.h. It works. So I can remove them, and I don't have to pull up this file, so I don't leak my fuck you, shut the fuck up. so also I'm not analog weapon, because analog weapon sucks, and I don't have my stream deck thingy that I made last stream hooked up, because I will need all of my USB ports for this project, and I will explain why. it's pretty funny, but it's also like fucked up. Okay, so here I have the code. No, I didn't think you could see it because I didn't switch. And also I didn't switch because I was messing with the actual removing the credentials for my Wi-Fi from the screen by making a header file. Okay. And I also need to remember not to hover on these two, because otherwise VS Code will resolve them and show the SSID and the key, which it doesn't really matter in the end at the end of the day, because you don't know where I live. So unless you can find my address from the SSID, but I don't think that's a thing you can do. And also I found this VS Code extension called Platformio, and it's really awesome. It's really awesome because I can basically work with any microcontroller that I want within VS Code. And I used to use like this extension from Microsoft called Arduino for VS Code something, and it was always throwing errors because it said that it was missing files, and the arduino.h file had errors in it. So I googled a bit, and a Reddit post drive me to this extension Platformio, and it's really good. I really love it. And also, I don't know where my lighter is. I bet it's in my pocket. Okay, so here's the code. Basically, I'm using a clone of a Wemos D1 Mini, which is a board that uses the ESP8266 microcontroller, which is a microcontroller that basically has Wi-Fi functionality, and it's really cool. It's really good. And yeah, so what I'm doing basically is connecting to the Wi-Fi and basically setting some a web server and some endpoints. In this case, it's test and basically the index. And basically I can use another thing that I'm developing. It's a controller for the matrix here, and I can just do like HTTP requests to the web server running on the ESP, and like sending like JSON and parsing it through the ESP8266. And in this case, I want basically to send an array of RGB values to the ESP8266, and the data transfer works extremely well. It's extremely fast and it's really cool. But the problem is that I forgot that the ESP8266 is a 3.3 volt microcontroller. That means that it can only deal with 3.3 volt signals in input, and it can only output 3.3 volts out of any of the pins that it has. The thing is that this matrix here is made of WS2812B LEDs, also known as neopixels, and they work off of 5 volts. And I checked the data sheet, and 3.3 volts doesn't work for them. So I tried with a transistor, and it didn't work because I don't know. I checked with the oscilloscope. I don't know what I did wrong, and also apparently the transistor I was using was like too slow for dealing with like half a megahertz. So I opted to use logic gates, the 74001, the 74001s, and yeah, for some reason the output wasn't 5 volts, so it didn't work. I tried with an op-amp, like as a comparator, like comparing the output from the ESP8266 with like half of the 5 volts, like 2.5 volts, and I discovered that the op-amps that I have are not, hello Andre, are not rail to rail. That means that the output signal cannot reach the rail voltages, and for some reason the lower bound for this threshold was like 1.7 volts, and I don't really get it, because it should really be like less than that. So, and also I checked the datasheet for these LEDs, and the minimum voltage, like the low voltage, the low boolean value that these LEDs recognize is anything below 1.5 volts, and the op-amp outputted 1.7, so I was shy of 200 millivolts from it working. So I had to use my other Arduino as a level shifter, because I don't have anything that works for this. So let's program a shitty ass fucking level shifter that basically does nothing except basically relaying the same signal but at a different voltage, because I'm pretty sure that the threshold for high and low for the Arduino Uno is well within it's like the threshold for the high state is less than 3.3 volts, so we should be fine. But also I kinda need to check, yeah, because I want to analog. For me, this project was like a simple ass thing. I mean, it wasn't that simple, because the first time that I tried it, I don't know, it was so messy. I didn't get how the fuck it didn't work, never worked. I don't know. I got it to work eventually, but for some reason, I don't know why, like the first LED in the controller was actually the last in the LED matrix, and knowing how this LED thingy works, I couldn't wrap my head around, and the only explanation for me was that for some reason was sending the should have been the first LED. It was sending its RGB values last, and I don't know why, and I couldn't like debug it, because the Arduino Uno does not have a way to debug stuff unless you use like serial print statements, but that messes with the way I was communicating with the Arduino through serial, and working with this shit messes with me, because I needed like 100 bytes to store the entire state of the matrix, but the Arduino serial buffer was like 64 bytes. So I had to send the the LED data in batches. Also, I remember that it was 5 batches of 20, and I needed 24 bits for 3 bytes for every LED. So it was like 300. And I divided by 64, it was like about 5. I don't know, but I ended up sending 5 batches of 20 LEDs each. So, but with my new approach, I can just send JSON data to the ESP8266, and through this library that look, I have to pull up the documentation. Arduino JSON, dude, like, no joke, this documentation is awesome. I wish every single programming thingy had this kind of documentation. Beautiful, like visually pleasing stuff, and also where was it? Serialized? No. I need comments. No. Efficient. No. Customer self-contained, portable, zero warning, well test, header only. Documentation. Of all Arduino libraries, Arduino JSON is by far the one with the best documentation. On this website you'll find 469 pages of documentation and 34 news articles. And also we provide the Arduino JSON assistant that generates the code for your project. Dude, 469 pages. I lost it. Where's... I wanted to... 400 and... Oh, fuck. Where is... Oh, 469 pages. 469 pages. Man. And we cannot find a way to use JSDoc to write a useful documentation for our own MPBot project. Jesus. Okay. So, let's get to do the voltage thingy using the Arduino, because there's no other option, because fuck it. And why doesn't it load Platformio? Okay, still did the radio die? No, it didn't. It's kinda quiet though. Okay. So, where was I? Platformio. Where's the new project? Project name. Voltage thing. Select board. Arduino Uno. Okay. Framework Arduino. Use default location. I do not want to use default location. I want to use this location, and finish. Radio is loud on average. Do I need to bring it down a notch? Okay. So, um, the Arduino has this feature called like interrupt pins, and basically, they if you don't know what an interrupt is, it's basically a routine that stops the normal execution of the code, and yeah, and gives priority to some other piece of code that uh, yeah, that you write somewhere else. Um, and I want to attach an interrupt to mm, to the pin that will be fed the output of the ESP8266, and I want another pin to basically output the same signal without changing anything. It's pretty straightforward, but I don't remember how to do it, so arduino.cc/reference. I think that's the URL. I don't think so, because it's taking like 700 years to pull it up. So documentation, reference. Okay, let me language reference. Where is it? Attach interrupt. Okay, attach interrupt. Digital pins with interrupt. The first parameter to attach interrupt is an interrupt number. Normally, you should use digital pin to interrupt pin. So pin 2 or 3. So here's the Arduino Uno, and we will be using pin 2. Why not? Okay, so let me is okay. So I can just say define input pin is 2, and I can say define no, output pin actually, because I don't want to use digital write because it's kind of slow. I can use direct port addressing, basically writing directly into the register that that contains the thing that contains the states of the various pins. And if you don't know, on the Arduino Uno, like every 8 pins or something, exception made for some registers, every 8 pins are it's a group, like port A, port B, port C, port D, and I don't know how to explain it really well, but for now it'll do. And okay, so okay, so what I want to do is to attach interrupt digital pin to interrupt input pin, okay, and the second argument should be a function. Jesus Christ. And turn down the volume. Also, be right back. Kind of hot. I was wearing a sweater, but now it's too hot in my room. Okay. So, okay, so void handle data, I guess, and I can say handle data, right? can say it like this. Recommending sufficient. Okay, I need to say that. Do I need also to declare the thingy here? Handle data. What? Should it? You avoiding completely. What the fuck? Okay, so I need to do this, right? What the fuck? Oh, it's a string, right? Handle data. Maybe I should look at the reference. It's not a string, and also I fucking shocked myself for some reason. Where's the interrupt service routine and mode. Low change, rising, falling. What? Pink. What the fuck? What? Am I stupid? Yeah. It's not. It should be handle data. And mode should be change. Right? Okay, nice. Okay. Yeah. Is it loud? I don't think so. But yeah. Okay, so now I have the interrupt attached and change. So let me see. Port mapping Arduino. Oopsie days. Jesus Christ, stop. Port registers. Okay. B is 8 to 13. The D is digital pin 0 to 7. Okay. The port D data direction register. Pin D, the port D input pins. Read only, read write. Okay, so I'm assuming that such Arduino. Okay, so the least significant bit is pin 0 and the most significant bit is pin 7. Okay, so DDRD develop. Okay, so I can say pin mode. Okay, let's say define output pin. Should be like, I don't know, pin 3 because I'm lazy. Pin mode, output pin, output, and it should be golden for now. Now that I set the thingy, okay, so now I need to do DDRD is equal to DDRD or bitwise or with okay, so I need to set the, actually I can just say bit set bit set. Bit set. Value is what? Wait a minute. I don't remember how to use this function because I'm stupid. Okay. Bit. Oh no, bit set. Wait. Bit set. Arduino. Fuck. Bit set. Sets right. Okay. X the numeric variable was bit set. Okay. Okay. I don't need to do bit set, but bits and bytes. Oh wait. Bit read, bit set, bit write. Bit read, bit write. I need to do X, which bit, 1 or 0. Okay, I need to do bit write. Bit write, DDRD, and then I need to do which one? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, but 3. So I need to do, I can say output pin because it's the same, and bit value should be whatever I read on the second one. So it should be DDRD, DDRD, and I can just hard code it. 765432110. I'm not sure about these, but it should be what I'm looking for. What will I do with my LEDs? I don't know. Bunch of things. I want to experiment. Okay, so I have a piece of code that basically allows me to write text and draw images, and I also want to be able to make some animations. I don't know. And since it works over the network, if from my computer I ran a code that basically, I don't know, looks like a Discord bot that looks at the like it's on a server that you can join and you can write stuff on a channel, and yeah, it does stuff. You can write stuff and it appears. So I don't know, it's you can do a bunch of things. It's mainly about visualizations. Like, I don't know if I ever get to play on like the Magpie Fest, I will have this in the background looking at the live stream chat, and basically like takes random stuff and it will show them, alternating it with like images, sprites. Yeah, maybe like a filter would be a nice thing, like a filter that rejects some stuff. Also, did the radio die again? No, someone forgot to remove like stuff at the end of the song. Or is it dead? No, it's not. Okay. So now it's time to program the Arduino board, and I guess I'll test it. And also, since I will be testing it with the actual shit and stuff that I programmed for the thingy, let me new window, file, open recent, LED matrix controller, and yeah, that's basically stuff here. And okay, let me actually see if output pixel, no, show text. Oh, I didn't actually scroll text. Okay, I want to be able to text. Okay, let me adjust a little bit, so I can say show text or scroll text, string text R, but I guess can be text, and that's it. Text and color, I don't know, FFF. And I guess it's cool like that. I don't know, there are a bunch of bugs, so yeah. Okay, so go live, please go live, and we have a thing that I hope it works. I hope it works. Show text. I hope it works. But yeah, at the end it's kinda glitchy. I don't know why. How is it powered? What do you mean? How is it powered? Like the LED matrix? From a ADX power supply that I modified, because I'm too cheap to buy an actual lab bench power supply. So it's pretty good. And yeah, so and if you okay, so you can basically like select a color and draw a bunch of stuff, and if you hit send, should be a network. Okay, so now the microcontroller is offline, so it would be pending, but I have a bunch of fetch requests here. Like the payload is basically a JSON array with like every LED here, LED actually no, I don't know what you mean. Plug for DC, what? Like these matrix here at full power, it draws like 30 watts. In fact, I have to run it at like a quarter of the power, otherwise the LED like the power distribution that I have going on right now, it's so shitty that if I like If the first LED is white, the last LED will be red. And I think it has something to do with power distribution, because you basically have 300 LEDs on this board, like 100 for red, 100 for green, and 100 for blue. And assuming that every LED draws 20 milliamps, you have 20 times 30, 20 milliamps time 300 LEDs is 300, 3000, 6000 milliamps, which is 6 amps times 5 volt is 30 watts. So that's why I don't run it at full power, because first of all, the LED colors don't work really well, and I don't want to draw 30 watts from my already pretty demanding socket in the wall, because also power distribution in my room is kind of fucked up. I didn't plan to do a lot of stuff with my room, actually, only sleeping and watching YouTube, but instead I joined the Mike Pirates eyes. So yeah, 6 amps. It fucking sucks. I eventually I will be redoing the power distribution on this, but also I think that eventually I will be desoldering every single LED and making a smaller thingy that I can. I don't know if I want it to be smaller, but definitely paint on wood with a double-sided tape underneath the LEDs. It's not a good idea, because a lot of the LEDs are coming off. Yeah, fucking 6 amps. If 30 watts is kind of the 1% of what I can draw from the wall. But we also have a heater, a fridge, the television, lights, other stuff. So it might trip the breaker. I don't know, actually, I never tripped the breaker here in this house, but I tripped the breaker at my parents' house like plenty of times. I remember like the first time that I was messing with LEDs, I basically took a USB plug, I stripped the ends and connected an LED without the current limiter resistor directly to 5 volts, and I burned the LED, and it smelled so bad for like 2 hours. And the worst thing is that I connected the USB plug to my PS2, and I was lucky not to have blown up the PS2. And to this day, my PS2 still works, and I modded it. And after I modded it, it didn't work because a wire was shorting somewhere. Had to reopen it and move the wires a little bit. No, absolutely not. The max rating for at least in Italy, but I guess it's kind of a standard between Europe, home circuits are usually rated for 16 amps, but I know that, for example, in Germany, you get 3 phases, like off the shelf, and in Italy, if you want 3 phases at your home, you better die, because because it's kind of I don't know. You have to pay extra for 3 phases, even if the transformer, like on the end of the road, like gets the 3 phases, and and basically the 3 phases are distributed from household to household and shit like that. But yeah, at least in Italy, you get 16 amps, because you get 220 volts and 16 amps. And this means that the wiring in our home is less expensive, because you have to use less copper to transmit the same power. I know that for 120 volts, in order to transfer the same amount of power, you need more current, and more current means more copper to handle the current, and with more current, it means that the wires dissipate more, and that means that if your wiring is so shitty, you can burn your house down. But also in Italy, you can burn your house down, and everywhere else. So, please, if you want to deal with electronics and electricity in general, if you don't know what you're doing, stick to circuit bending toys, because it's no joke. You can die. Please, for the love of God, don't do anything stupid with electricity, because electricity is a threat that you cannot see. It's invisible. So you don't know if a wire is live or not. So please don't do anything stupid. And also let me do a thing before we start again. Yeah, I went on a really big tangent. You can say that it's 10 of almost 90 degrees. Really good joke. Okay, so I need to program the Arduino Uno, so voltage thing. I have my Arduino Uno here, and I need a USB wire for it. And it can handle the data that I send through the thing, D4, D3, D2, and pin 2 is the input on the Arduino. So now I need to do upload. Okay, I hope that it picks up that the Arduino Uno undefined reference to loop. Okay, nice. Void loop. Ctrl S and re-upload. Com10. Okay, nice. Nice. Really nice. Actually. Now I will connect my oscilloscope, and unless I find a way to show like an OBS thingy of my oscilloscope, you won't be able to see it. I had like a software that came with the oscilloscope that was able to basically show the data on my computer, but it's like an old software, and yeah, it's pretty sucky. And also I need to connect grounds between the wait, let me switch scenes. Okay, hello. Yeah, I need to connect the ground. No, actually, no. I don't need to connect the ground in this case, because both of the microcontrollers are connected to the computer, and the computer has the same ground for everything. So I can just go with it. Now, if I remember, where was it? Okay, so now if I do send, I don't know, let me see. Out of the ESP. I don't know. I don't get why it works one time and then it doesn't work anymore. But if I do this, I can see like spikes. It doesn't work. Let me switch screen digital input threshold. Threshold voltage and hysteresis for digital inputs. Low is less as the input voltage increases from 0 volts. The input is raised as 0 and switches to 1 at 2.6 volts. So it should be registering, but maybe I did fuck up on here. So let me do it this way. In is equal to digital read input in and then I can say digital right, digital right in, no, output pin in. It should be, we should be golden. Okay, we should be golden. My house is wired bad. I turned off the circuit labeled for my fan, and yeah, it was still hot. Damn, boy, hot as fuck. But yeah, that's an example of bad circuits, because it shouldn't be like that. Also, let me pull up the LED matrix controller. It doesn't work. Well, I see signal coming from the ESP, but it doesn't want to. Maybe it's ooh. Tell me that's it works one time and 6 doesn't. Let me run it on a single, because I want to capture the actual data and see if it makes sense. Why the fuck are you not triggering? Why is the fucking trig level at minus 10 volts? What the fuck? Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, it works, it fucking works. Okay, now, so if I connect, let me change the, yeah. Also, I need to modify this to work on the network, so that I don't have to worry about having a USB hub. So that's another project for another day. So let me switch it. Full cam, that's it. Okay, so I also maybe need to move the camera. Okay, so now this is the ground and goes here. This is the data pin of the LEDs, and it goes here. Now it's a shitty ass plug that I have in my room. So now let's try and send some red LEDs. Doesn't work. Why? I connected it right. Yeah. The ground is connected. Let me try. No, RF ground. Let me try connect it here. Jesus. Jesus Christ. The radio is kinda loud. Okay. Okay. Let me try again. Okay, the data is being sent. And I don't really know why it doesn't work. Because I thought that I fucked up somewhere. Because the connection is there, the data is being sent, but it doesn't show up on the LED matrix. And why is that? I don't know. It doesn't even change a bit. So Jesus Christ. Fucking neighbor. Okay, now it should be fine. Jesus Christ. Okay. So, why are you not working? You can. Let me try and refresh the page. Yes, I don't know. So, yep, it doesn't work. And I fear that it's because of the fucking LEDs. Are they broken or something? I don't know, but I hope not. Because otherwise I will be fucking pissed. Is the connection good? Yeah, it is. Let's try and I kind of want to terminal will be used by tasks. Any key to close? What? So, kill terminal. Um, hmm. Let me try and load an example thingy, because that's the ultimate test. Color palette, color order, GRB to B or D or B. It's B. Num LEDs, it's 100, and the let me try. So this is pin 5 765. Let's try. Scheda Arduino, and let's see if the example works. If the example works, if the example works, we're set. It doesn't work. Why is that? Did I fucking... No, no, that's not the... I didn't break the thing, right? Did I? I'm fucking stupid. I'm so fucking stupid. I break the fucking matrix. I connected it to 12 volts instead of 5 volts. I think I'm stupid. The matrix is broken. And I hope it's not. I think I broke the thing. And this is so stupid. Why did I connect it to 12 volts? Why? Why? This is so fucking stupid. This is so fucking stupid. This is so fucking stupid. The LEDs were connected to 12 volts. And those are 5 volts LEDs. This is so stupid. This is so fucking stupid. This is actually the stupidest thing that I could ever do. 100 fucking LEDs. 100 fucking LEDs. And I don't know why the fuck they still work some. Jesus Christ. I'm so mad. I'm so fucking mad. I'm I'm so fucking mad. Yeah, shit happens. I know that shit happens, but not this way. Well, I guess we're doing something else. Just missed. Fuck, man. 100 fucking LEDs. Jesus Christ. Is it really broken though? Yeah, I guess so. I was powering them with 12 volts. And that is 7 volts too much. Well, I guess we're really doing something else. And I don't know. I don't know what to do with this fucking thing now. Man, that sucks. That sucks. Sucks. Well, I guess that's an excuse to. That's an excuse to do the thing, do the over the network stream deck, whatever thingy. The Matrix is dead. And I'm so fucking mad. I guess I will be ordering 2 rolls of LEDs soon. And I will basically redo them. Yeah, I can test them with the examples that I know for certain that they work, but they don't. Not even like random stuff across the board. Because I think that they are all in parallel, so if that's the case, every single one of them is dead. And that's so stupid. That's so fucking stupid. So fucking mad. Well, as Andretti said, shit happens. And at least the only thing that's broken is the Matrix and not the actual controller that I can use for other things. Also, the fucking radio is kinda loud. Man, we should really equalize our fucking volumes. Okay. So, what I can do now is basically take this thing here and use it over the network. But how? Well, let's see. And yeah, let me clean up a bit so that I can work in a less messy environment. Is this Audio Adventures? No, it's not. Okay. Also, the music now is too low. One time it's too fucking low, and now it's too low, and now it's too quiet. Out of focus all this time, and it's not charging. Wait a minute. Okay, so let's move to here, and let's close this and this, and let matrix ESP. Well, I guess I will need to move some stuff across. So in order to convert this thing to work over the network, I will need two let me actually see. ESP8266 web client. Let's see. Let's see. With these. Um, okay, so let's see. ESP 8266. Read the docs. Let's see. Because basically what I want to do is send like an HTTP request to some server running on my computer that and then this web server should send some keystrokes like the F13 to F24 keys so that I can control stuff on my computer without having the board connected to the computer, because once I flash the sketch on the board I can just connect it to any 5-volt source, so that's pretty nice. Let's see. Let me see. ESP 8266. Sending HTTP request. HTTP client. Okay. HTTP.begin. Can I do post stuff? HTTP client and clear an object of class HTTP client. Let me see. Okay, so first of all, I need to make a new project with platform. New project name, OBS controller Wi-Fi. Wemos D1 mini. No, it's not ESP32. Is it D1 or D2? I don't remember. Mini light D1. Okay, so it's Dith 1. Here. Documents. Visual Studio Code. And yeah, that's that's the thing. Okay, now I need to get my stuff back. So new file, keys.h, and I just need to define the stuff that I already defined in it's include contract A, Control C, and it should be not in leap, but here include keys, H, Control V, Control S, X, and delete, and yeah. Let me switch to review. So, first of all, I need to include the Wi-Fi library, ESP8266 Y6 ESP. My IntelliSense doesn't work. 8266 Wi-Fi, and I need to include ESP8266 HTTP client, because that's what they are using. And I can say Wi-Fi dot begin, and also I need to include keys.h, begin, SSID, and key, right? Oopsie daisy, I think I showed my keys, and that's no big deal actually, because I don't really care. Okay, let me close this thing here. Let me dispose of the web server, and let's have, oopsie, okay, fuck it. I did everything not to show the fucking thingy, and I showed them. Nice. I will need to delete the stream after I'm done. Okay. So, Wi-Fi dot begin. Okay. And let me just copy and paste a bunch of stuff. I need to use serial.begin 115200, and also I need to here and monitor Jesus, what was the thingy? Monitor speed. It's monitor speed. Okay, nice. Yes. Okay. Wi-Fi to local IP. Okay. And that's basically what I want to do. Okay. So now I want to have I have 8 LEDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The only thing that I'm not sure about is if like the pin D4 works on my microcontroller, because I don't think it works. I think it's burned. I don't know. We will see. So now what I want is basically define how many define Jesus Christ. Oh, I mean define buttons and buttons, maybe. I don't do is define the LEDs, the pins that I will connect to the buttons. So it should be byte pins and buttons is equal to D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. I don't know why I wanted to put everything on lines and stuff. And I guess we're not doing that. Because that's annoying. Kind. Jesus Christ, why don't you fucking format how I wanted to format it? Well, I guess we're not dealing with that. Okay, so how the fuck do I use the HTTP client thingy? I don't know. Never used this. Okay. So, first of all, I need to declare the functions of the pins, and I think that I can use input pull up here. I hope so. Otherwise, we will be spending some 100 hours of our time doing nothing. So I can do 4 byte I 0 to 0, I is less than n buttons, I plus plus, pin mode, pins I is equal to input pull up. Oh, nice. We have it, I guess. And yeah. And after defining the pins, yeah. Well, okay. So, in loop, I want to check every, for, yeah, you can just do this. For byte I is equal to 0, I is less than n buttons, I plus plus. I want to say, byte, no, bool, wait a minute. High 0x1, which evaluates to true, I guess. So we can just cast it to bool. So I guess we are not casting it. the compilers doing it. Oh yeah, wait. I need to check for bool previous states, prep state, and buttons, which is an empty array for the time being, and prep state is equal to prep state I is equal to high, because input pull up means that whenever I read the thing and I'm not touching anything, the input will read high. So yeah. Okay. So now, let's say bool. Okay. Bool core state is equal to digital read. I can just say state instead of prep state. No, I want to use prep state. Core state is digital read pins I. Okay, nice. And if core state is different from prep state I, that means that we pressed or released the button. If core state is different from the previous state, well, first of all, I want to assign prep state I as core state, so that means that the current state is in the gets stored into the previous state array, and when the loop comes around once again, we will be basically checking the new state with the old state that we assigned here in the before times. You know what I'm saying. Now we want to differentiate between I guess we don't need to actually. Let me see. Okay. So let's do bool changed is equal to false. Okay. So bear with me. If changed, then do something. If core state, prep state, I want to change is equal to true. So what I'm doing here is basically I want to send the bulk of the data only if I detect a change, and if even a single button is pressed, it will detect a change and change this variable here to true. And if changed, so if true, basically if a button is pressed, it will execute whatever I write here. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty proud. Okay, so if changed, I want to send the whole array prep state, I guess. But am I sure that I want to use an array? I can actually use a byte prep state, and instead I can just say ball p state is equal to bit read value from prep state, and I want the I want the 7 minus I, but actually what I can do is do something else, maybe, because as of now actually I can do is equal to 0xff. That's a byte, right? What? Why is it not valid? Are you joking? Okay. It needs to be capital. Fuck you. I don't care about capitalization. And here I want byte. No, fuck. Bit. Okay, what was the thing? Okay, it's an assignment. So bit set. No. Ctrl Z. See, it's high. Why is it high? Oh, never mind. This is something that we don't care about. So here we can bit right, and what was it? Value from prev state, the ith bit, and I want it to set to curve state. Okay. 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 Yeah, I think we are onto something. Yeah, we still need to figure out how the fuck we will do the thing. I don't know. Wait, there's an arrow? Okay, privacy. Okay, so it's P Wait a minute. Be right back. Come back. But I need a little bit of a break. Once I realized that the matrix was burnt, everyone left. Next time I'll be remaking the Matrix, and this time will be a little bit more thoughtful on, first of all, what materials I'm using for the base of the fucking Matrix, but I don't think I will be able. this week. But yeah, so let's try and figure out how these ESP8266 HTTP client works. So can I do... Well, I guess cut requests are good enough. What? Okay. So begin. Wait. Wait a minute. No. No, I don't want this. Or do I? Jesus. Okay, I need a way to format this string here. Okay. So, okay. I need a way to format this string here. Okay. Okay, just go. Close the connection. Do I really want to close the connection though? I don't know. Well, I think that for these it would be better to use like something like WebSockets or something, but I don't know how to use them. So let's try and see what happens. I don't think that something good will happen, to be honest. What? Huh. Okay. So if changed, let's see, HTTP client, http.begin, and I want a string. Okay, I need to send a number. So I can say string combo, I don't know, combination of things is equal to string prev state. Can I do it? Please tell me that I can do it. And sign char. Okay. Let me see. String. Let me pull up the fucking reference once again. Arduino reference. F3 string. Okay, nice. Yes. Hex bin. Nah, I guess I can just use base 10, and then I can say string URL is equal to HTTP. I don't know what's my IP. It's 239. So 239 slash combo is equal to plus combo. I hope I can fucking do this. Okay, begin URL. And then I can do HTTP dot get do I need to begin? Okay, you can just say http.end. http.end because I don't want to deal with any stuff here. I think that's not the best of ideas, but I don't really care. So now I need to wire up these to these and see what happens. But maybe also I need to specify a port here, because otherwise we'd be complaining. Now what I want to do is close this thing here, and I want to close folder, and I want to do file, open folder, OBS controller server. Do index.js. Let me pull up the thingy, and then I want to do npm init, and just say yes, and then I can do npm install. What was the name? Express. Save. Let's wait for it to install Express. Now here I can say require const Express is equal to require Express, then const app is equal to Express dot Express. So I guess we're looking at the code for the website, because I don't remember shit about how to use it. So let's see. Bing www app is okay. It's required app. Const app is okay. Express. It's a constructor. Okay. App use. can I do app dot get name string? I can do combo and then a function request response and next. I think so. Let's request dot query. Okay, so let me say const combo is equal to query dot combo, and let's say console dot log combo. S, and then I can say node index. Maybe I need to do something else, because that's not what I want to do. Okay. Yeah, of course, I need to create an HTTP server. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Const HTTP is equal to require HTTP, and then I can say app.port, app.set port to 3000. No, it's not a string. And then I can say const server dot is equal to http dot create server app. Let's see. And then server dot listen 3000. Control S. Let's try again, I guess. Now I think that if I go here to localhost 3000 combo, why combo? I fucked up the naming. Test. Let's see. It should be okay, nice. Here's the thing. And then response.send status 100.send. Okay, so that it doesn't Control C, okay, index. What? Okay. Oh, because it was still sending. Okay, nice. Yeah, I need to I need to change here, like to not yeah, maybe what I can do is, instead of listening to combo, I want to listen to the index. So okay, so now I want a way to send the keystrokes through Node.js. So sending keystroke strokes through Node.js. How to send key presses through Node.js. Robot.js. Haha. Robot.js. Let's see. Sports Max Windows. This is a work in progress. So the explorer functions could change. Installation. Okay. Examples. Wow. No. Type strings, key tab, API, Windows build tools and PM package. What? Let me actually pull up the code that I wrote for for an auto clicker that I file, open folder, auto clicker. Here's the select folder. Oh yeah, I used robot.js. So yeah. Okay. So I already used that. Okay. npm install robot.js save. I hope it doesn't complain about stuff missing. Otherwise, no pre-built binaries. Okay, should be good, maybe. Okay. So now, now what I want to do is parsing the string okay, let me see, because now I have the combo thingy. Well, actually, maybe I need to wire up at least one LED. No LED. The thing. The thing, you know. I need a jumper. Where's the jumper? Here's the jumper. Test subject. These are okay. Now I can upload the thing here, and let's see. Because if this works, we're pretty bonkers. Jesus Christ, the radio is going crazy. Okay, let me can I refresh it? Because it's kind of going crazy. You know? No. No. Okay, I guess we'll we're keeping it stuttering. Okay, now I need to start the web server, and if I press the first button, nothing happens. Why? Okay, it's connected. If I press the button, I should get something. On the other hand, no. Why? Okay. Bool. HTTP client is deprecated. What? 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 It's deprecated? What? Bool HTTP client begin is deprecated. What? And what should I use then? HTTP dot add header connected, get location size string pointer, patch post path, send request, set reuse, set timeout, set URL, set user region, use HTTP 10. I don't know what the fuck that means. Collect headers, begin. Yeah, it should fucking... What? Why is it deprecated? What? What the fuck? Let me see. Let me see what the fuck that means. http.begin Okay, bool begin Wi-Fi client. Can I do like Wi-Fi dot client? What the fuck? Difference that reference addition. Okay. How the fuck do I get a client? I don't really know. Let me see, ASP8266 Wi-Fi client. What? Okay. 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 Wi-Fi client, right? Right? Maybe. Wi-Fi client, status Wi-Fi again. Okay. Client.connect server. What the fuck is server? If you got a connection, report it back with server 80. What the fuck is server? IP address server. What the fuck? Client. Why do well, I don't know. Let's try. I don't know. Never use this client URL. I guess. I don't think it will work or something. But we are going to try. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Nevertheless. Also, why the fuck did I decide to move this fucking thingy? Okay. Woo. Let's see if it doesn't work. Serious right now. Well, I guess we're doing something that's more HTTP client ESP8266. Example. Let's see. Basic HTTP client. Okay, Wi-Fi client. Okay. Wi-Fi no, multi. Okay. Wi-Fi client. Okay. Well, should work. Why it don't work? Oh, god damn it! String payload. No. Cheers. Serial flash. Well, I guess I'm stupid or something. Well, let's not be stupid and actually log the shit out of. Okay, so first of all, let's serial.println printf. Yes. %s. What? No. Printline URL first of all. Then if HTTP begin, then do this. Else print a serial print 9 error unable to connect. Oops, and then int code to this and serial.print line code and let's see, because I bet that it has something to do with something. That's my guess. Also, I bet that this is pretty boring because they're not microreads or damage shipment. This is rather entertaining. Also, it might be also that well, it sent it one time, but did it receive? No, it didn't. Jesus Christ, why it didn't? Did the camera die? I guess the camera died. Camera died. Yep, the camera died long ago. Well, go for this. Oh, well, okay. That's not very fun. Okay, why the fuck don't you Well, fuck me, god damn it. If I don't fucking print the god damn it. It was working. But I'm kinda stupid. Not gonna lie. So I still need to figure out why doesn't it allow me to press it multiple times. So now if I go here, yep, here's the thing. 254. Now that I have the thing here, I have communication established between the two things. I can and I need to split up the thing. for a really stupid thing. Let me see if JavaScript has some methods to work with bitwise math. JavaScript bit getting bits. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. That's bitwise operators. Okay. So, for let I equal 0, I is less than 8, I plus plus, I plus plus. So now I can do let mask is equal to pow 2I, and let's how do I get okay, let bit is equal to okay, I need to const combo should be parse int what? Well, I don't need to do anything of this because I can do no parse int fuck no yeah okay but I guess I can do toString base 2 and instead of working with bits I can just say toString dot split. No, I'm not sure. Okay, once I parsed it, I can do combo and mask and semicolons. Combo and mask. And I need to shift to the left by I. And then let's say console.log I and bit. And then Ctrl S, Ctrl C, node index, reset board, and ooh, whoa, pow is not defined. Oh, it's math.pow. Math.pow. Ctrl S, Ctrl C, node index, resetting the thing. Okay. Yeah, that's not right. That's not right. Why? Let me say mask and combo 2. I don't know. It's not working. to always reset the ESP. It should be everything one, but this let me see. Yes, bitwise. Well, combo and mask, right? It is combo and mask. Let me actually remove the shift and see if I'm doing it right. Let's see. Index. Let me pull up the other. 0, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, yeah. It's working actually. So why don't you okay, not understanding much. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Okay, I can just check if it's different from 0. And also, I suspect that more than one pin is broken in my ESP. So, fuck it. So, combo and mask being different from 0. So if it's 0, it should be false. It is boolean. So let's try. Control C. Not index. Okay, maybe consulted lock. Maybe 3 or 4 new lines. Okay. Okay, nice. We have also maybe it should be the inverse, so that I have it. So when I press, it's true. D0 it's working properly. D3 working properly. Seven working properly. I guess D0 has something going on. Crazy shit. We're changing it to, of course. So this should be D8 because I guess D8. Yep. Let me re-upload the thingy. Okay, where's the 8? Yes. Ooh. I suspect that. Oh, I guess there's something fishy going on with bit 0. So, how do I debug it? How do I debug it? To console and it's serial current state. If I is equal to 0, I want to log cursed state, and I want also to print line, also to print line previous state. S and let me comment those. Re-upload. It's always 0. Why? Why is it always 0? Okay, means I input pull up. Let me do something else. Oh. Wait a minute. Why when it's pressed? Okay. Let me see. If first state is different from previous state. See the other pins. The other pins are let me see. Maybe there's something going on with input pull up. Okay. Input pull up ESP 8266. Let me see. Where's the input pull up? Yeah. Okay. Usable pins 17. Yep. I don't understand anything about this. So D0 is GPIO 16, which has a what's the name? It has a pull down resistor, which is not good for what I want to do. But D8, it should work. Why is it not working? Well, it's really no biggie, to be honest. It's not working. And that sucks real bad. Because I was hoping. Well, in the end, I don't fucking care, to be honest. But yeah. Because it's a simple fix. When doing the actual board, I will just add an external pull-up, which is again no biggie. It's fine. It's fine. So, okay, let me try. Okay, so first of all, the fucking radio is too loud. So, okay, so, so for now, let's ignore pin the 0th bit because it's a bitch. So yeah, okay. So I don't need to log it anymore. So I can just do this, and now I will be requiring here const maybe equals require robot.js. It's not. How the fuck do I use it? I don't actually remember. Maybe I should have kept the fucking reference open. So robot.js. Okay. API. Okay, controls the mouse. I can get NPM here if you need to know. What? Okay. Key toggle. Type string delay. Key tap. Hmm. Well, I guess I just need key string array alt modifier. Okay. Let me see. Key backspace. No, don't tell me that it doesn't support Node.js, robot.js, F13, function keys. This should be initial, let me take. Yeah, but if you fucking implemented it, you should fucking... The names of the letter and number keys are the same as the single letter digit. B is the B key. Okay, so let's try. How the fuck do I use it though? Let's see. Examples. Require set most delay. No, I don't need it. Okay, so I need F12. Okay. So if bit I want to do robot.keyTap F, and then I can just do 13 plus I, and we should be golden actually, but I'm not sure. If bit console log I and bit S, yep, I think that it will work. Oopsie daisy, not about that. I pulled up my OBS. I need to pull up the other thing, and I can just Control C, node index, and now I think that if I press, it will mute my microphone. I don't remember actually. Hello, hello, hello. Nice. I love it. I love it so much. Okay. So if I do this, okay. So if I D0, so if now I press it, it should switch to here. Nice. And yep, we're doing it. Wait, there's an error? What error? What's ooh, what happened? Did it crash? Is it crashing? Dude, I can get this. No, reopen. Man, What was the problem, though? What was the problem? Terminal. Uh, Verify, I guess. Bill. So why did you freak out? Okay. Cool. So I guess we're done. I guess we're done. Ooh, nice. Well, I guess I'm gonna go to bed now because it's pretty late and it's been a fucking mess. This whole thing has been a fucking mess, and I hate the fact that I burned my matrix. Man, that sucks. Well, thank you everyone for watching, and for the only person that has been here the whole time with me, because now there are 2 people watching and one is me. Anyways, thank you everyone, and I will be streaming tomorrow night again, and see you soon. Bye bye.